E-commerce trends and digital marketing. Let's explore some of the key trends and strategies that are shaping the e-commerce landscape today. The rise of online shopping. Online shopping has become increasingly popular in recent years, with more and more consumers turning to the internet to make their purchases. The convenience of shopping from the comfort of your own home, the wide variety of products available online, and the ease of comparison shopping have all contributed to the growth of e-commerce. The importance of mobile commerce. With more and more consumers using their smartphones and tablets to shop online, mobile commerce has become a crucial aspect of e-commerce. Businesses must optimize their websites for mobile devices, create mobile-friendly shopping experiences, and offer convenient payment options to cater to the growing number of mobile shoppers. Enhancing customer experience. Providing a seamless and personalized customer experience is essential for e-commerce success. Businesses must prioritize user-friendly website design, fast loading times, easy navigation, and secure payment options to create a positive shopping experience for customers. Harnessing the power of online advertising. Online advertising is a powerful tool for e-commerce businesses looking to reach their target audience and drive sales. Whether through pay-per-click ads, display ads, or social media ads, businesses can effectively promote their products and services to potential customers. Conclusion. In conclusion, staying ahead of e-commerce trends and leveraging digital marketing strategies are essential for businesses looking to succeed in today's competitive market.